Hello, I'm the Crimson Overlord, and I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom iiSU covers. Today on the iiSU Discord server, Nathan announced a few things. First of all, we're getting an alpha, which is pretty awesome. Merry Christmas to us. Happy holidays. We're also getting community assets. They're going to open the assets to the community. We're getting the ability to make our own box arts, console icons, collection icons, etc. And we can get all of them from this link in the Discord, the asset templates in the Google Drive. They also come with templates for Photoshop and Affinity. I don't know what Affinity is, and I don't like Photoshop. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own things in a special little program called Google Drawings, which works on basically every device with a keyboard or mouse, including Chromebooks. I know that's a big draw. So what we're going to start doing is you want to open up a Google Drawings document. And you'll do so by typing in drawings.google.com. It's drawings, plural, .google.com. This will bring you to an empty Google Drawings document. Next, I'm going to open the link in the Discord that gives us the community assets. And I'm going to go to console PNG overlays, then the Nintendo folder. You can choose whatever console you want. I'm going to go with the Wii, download, and it'll be added to my downloads folder. And now I'm going to find a image that I want to use for a box art cover for iiSU. So I'm going to go with this square one from IGN. Now once you have this open, I do have to preface, you'll notice that this Wii template is a resolution of 1024 by 1024. And even Nathan states that iiSU will follow a maximum cover resolution of 1024 by 1024. You cannot go higher than this for the iiSU client, I guess. I'll show you what you can do for higher resolutions if you are going to do your own custom covers for your own custom front end. But to start, I'm going to show you what to do in Google Drawings to get iiSU normal covers. Start by going to File. I'm going to full screen this for ease of view. Going to File. Go to the bottom and click Page Setup. Then in the drop down that says Standard 4.3, go to the bottom and click Custom. Then click the inches drop down and click Pixels. Change it to 1024 by 1024 and click Enter, or press Enter or click OK. Now drag in your Wii template cover. It'll drag into the canvas in the very center. And you can either hold Control and Shift to expand it outwards and align it with the borders of the canvas, or for new users, you can click and hold and then drag to the top left corner till the red align markers show up. Then go to the diagonally opposite corner and click, hold Shift as well, and drag to the border of the canvas. This will get you a perfectly square resizing that fills the canvas. Next, you're going to want to bring in your cover art. You're going to want to center it. You can do this with the align markers, or you can do center on page horizontally and vertically. Next, do the same thing as you did. Bring it to the edges. And now we're going to bring it behind the iiSU Wii thing. We can do this by hovering over Order and then clicking Send Backward. Or if you have multiple objects on your page and you want to get it behind all of them, Send Backwards won't work. You'll have to do Send to Back. And you can do that with either Control Shift down or by clicking it in the menu. Now that we have our thing behind the template, hold Control and Shift and click and hold one of the corners of the new Super Mario Bros. Wii template photo. Holding Control and Shift will hold it in place in the center while you scale it, and we're going to bring it to just barely not out of the template border. Oops. Just barely not out of the template border. This will make sure that your corner isn't poking out of the top, and there are no invisible pixels showing up inside of the border. If you need it a little oversized or you want to crop it, you can click the mask image dropdown that's next to the crop image button. Hover over shapes and go to the second option, rounded rectangle. Then a diamond will appear that's orange. Click and hold it, drag it out, align it. There you go. You can always shrink it. So if you want your image to be weird like this, you can do that. If your image is too big and you want to scale it down, you can do that. But now that our image is perfect, we're going to click File, hover over Download, and then click PNG. This will give us a perfect 1024 by 1024 resolution image. If you want higher resolution for whatever reason, go to Page Setup, click Pixels, then go to, or type in 2160 by 2160, and then repeat. This will give you a 2160 by 2160p PNG image. If for whatever reason you want it even higher, you can click to download a PDF in the Download tab. It'll look crusty and weird if your images aren't properly sized to that resolution, but whatever floats your boat. With this PDF, you want to convert it. You can use an online PDF to PNG image converter tool, or you can do what I do and use a Windows Explorer shell tool. I'm going to close that, and we're going to delete the original PDF. Now you have an image file that is 4500 by 4500 pixels wide and tall. For whatever reason you need that, there it is. And that's how you make a good custom cover. I hope you found this useful. Now go make some good covers.